Alright, so we're gonna draw like Harold. We're gonna use shapes and lines. I'm starting with a straight line and another straight line, kind of like the top of a triangle, and then a line that goes across, that's called a horizontal line. And now I'm making a building. I'm going to use a rectangle. I'm going to use little squares to make all of the windows on my building. And I'm going to just keep going, keep drawing squares for my building all the way until I get to the bottom. Okay, I'm going to draw one last shape, a bigger square with a little dot on it for the door. Now I think I'm going to draw a tree, two straight lines, a wavy line for the top of the tree. I want to add some apples. I'm going to use circles. Now let's draw Harold's hot air balloon. I'm going to start with a square for the basket, a curved line over here, another curved line, and then a big oval for the balloon that's holding us up in the air. Now I'm using some wavy lines to make my clouds. You can make as many or as little as you'd like. I'm going to add Harold's moon with two curved lines. One curved line for the inside and one curved line for the outside. I think I'm going to make those pies that Harold was talking about. So let me show you one first. I'm going to do a wavy line down here to show the crinkly part of the crust. So a curved happy face line, a wavy line, and an oval on top. Curved happy face line, a wavy line, an oval on top. And I'm going to keep going and make more pies for our picnic with Harold. I think up by the tree I'm going to draw that porcupine that Harold was talking about. I'll start with an oval with kind of like a triangle cut out of it, and then do straight lines coming out of the back of him for his spikes, a little circle for his eye, and a couple of wavy lines for his feet underneath. I'm going to sign it Miss Rufino. And I think I'm going to start a new drawing. I want to draw the waves and the boat that Harold was in when we saw him last time. To start my waves, I think I'm going to do a kind of like a zigzag line and a wavy line put together. So I'm going to go under and up, under and up, under and up, under. Now I'm going to do kind of like a rectangle, but my lines on the sides are going to go out for the boat. Okay? So it's kind of like the top of a rectangle, then a straight line to make the sail, and then another straight line across, a line down towards the boat, but it's still a straight line, and then another line across to the part that's holding up the sail. The last thing I think I want to add to my drawing is the moon. Actually, I'm going to draw some clouds. Some wavy line clouds, and you can draw as many as you want. You can add a moon. I'm going to draw some fish underneath the water with an oval and a triangle for the tail, a little dot for the eye, And another little triangle for the fin. And I'm going to keep drawing those fish. And you can put as many fish in your picture as you want.